Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can check whether your Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer is up to date or not, and if it is not up to date, then how to update it. So let's see how we can do this easily. I am on the desktop on my Windows 11 machine, and here I see there is a icon. This is called Start menu of Windows 11. Every Windows they have this type of start. So just click here and it will be open like this. From here we have to find on search box. So this is the search box. Here we just need to start typing settings, and if we start typing settings, we'll see system settings is there. First we need to access there, so I'm going to click here and the settings window will be open shortly and it will look like this. Now our plan was to check whether our Windows 11 or Windows 10 or other version of Windows is up to date or not. So on the left side you'll find all the menus are there, and at the bottom, almost at the end of this menu, there is a icon and text is called Windows Update. To check whether our Windows is up to date or not, we just need to access there. I'm going to click here, and right side you will see Windows Update panel is there, and this side you will get the information. If your Windows 11 is up to date or updated recently, then you will see this type of message: you are up to date, and it is showing the time when it checked. And if it is not, then it will show that your computer is not up to date, like that type of message. And to check the history, you can click here, update history. It will be expanded and it will show everything, whatever things it is up to updated basically during this time. So it is showing everything. Now I am going back to the Windows updates, this portion, and here let's check other thing. Suppose here it is showing that your computer is not up to date. For example, it is showing like that. So to check that, basically there is a button. We just need to press this button to check that. Sometimes we turn off the update, so at the time it will not update. So at the time we need to manually check whether our Windows 11 is up to date or not. At the time we have to come to this place and we have to press this button, check for updates. I'm going to click here and it will start checking, and you will see it is checking for updates, and a bar is going up and down like this way, and this icon is freezing, and this is actually checking. So it takes some time to check whether your machine is up to date or whether you need to download anything. Based on that, it will give you a list of options which you can use to decide to update your Windows now or later if there is an update. So I'm going to wait till it finished the report, and here it is giving me the information: updates available, last check today 4:05 p.m. So that means there is update, and it starts like this way. It is showing like this way, and it is installing 0%, and it is showing install all. Sometimes you will see like 6-7 updates are there, but it is not installing. At that time you have to come to this panel, that means Windows Update, this panel, and then you have to check like that way, and you need to update manually. If your Windows update is like turn off automatically, I mean at the time you need to check it here manually, and then after the update is ready, then it will be finished installation. So my preference is, once you complete the update, close the window, all the window, and start rebooting your system from Windows Start menu, and then click this menu, and from here just use the restart button to restart your computer. So after the restart, your computer will be up to date and it will work very smoothly. That's it guys. In this way, very easily we can check whether our Windows 11 is up to date, or if it is not up to date, then we can also we can update our Windows 11 very easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.